Do you know what is the worst advice you get about the PMP exam? No, let's make it 3 really crappy advice. Hello, I am Daud bringing you the worst recommendations out there about the PMP exam. Keep watching if you are planning to go for the PMP exam. So let's begin. Number 1. I did it in 2 weeks. Then doing a hasty generalization, ranting of how easy it is and others can do it too. Completely ignoring that every individual has different capacity to learn, different style of learning, different capability to retain and different level of performance under pressure. Please ignore this advice. See, at minimum, you have done high school, so you should know how quickly you grasp new ideas, how good you are in accepting a fact or recommendation that challenges your previous understanding, how many times you have to review stuff to retain the information, how do you perform under pressure, and so on. So after some initial learning, you are the best judge of how long it should take you to prepare. Yes, there are few who can do it in 2 weeks, but there are also those that need 4 months to prepare, and that too when they study regularly. As far as I have seen, most need somewhere between 4 weeks to 8 weeks, roughly 120 hours of work. So if you can get it done in 40 hours, good for you. But stop generalizing it that everyone can do it in 2 weeks. Take your time. Your objective is to pass the PMP exam, not to prepare in 2 weeks or X weeks. Who cares? Your PMP certificate won't say you did it in 8 weeks, so don't worry. Number 2. I did not read PMBOK, so you can pass the exam without reading PMBOK. And another similar one. I read PMBOK 2 times and did some practice tests and I passed. That's how easy it is. Do you know that PMBOK is not the only book the exam is based on? PMI reference list has 10 books and exam is not limited to those. It can refer to any other text out there. So if you did it without reading PMBOK or only reading PMBOK, that is because you understood project management framework and processes extremely well. Here is my take on it. Do you have to read PMBOK? No. Does reading PMBOK help? Yes. Is it easy to read PMBOK? Few individuals find it interesting, but most find it dry material and not easy to read. The thing is that if the material you are using or the PMP exam prep course you are taking is good and covers the project management process flow and framework well and extends beyond PMBOK text, then you may not benefit much from reading PMBOK. But if the course only covers some of the exam content, then PMBOK reading will help. Now we come to number 3, the last one. Memorize ITTO, definitions and process names. No, don't memorize. It is a complete waste of time. Understand how project management applies in real life. How is project management framework structured? How processes flow? How project manager leads and manages team, handles risks and conflicts, communicates with stakeholders, motivates the team, and what are the right decisions in different situations. That's all you need. When you prepare this way, you will become familiar with many terms. PMP exam does not test your memorization. Instead, it focuses on your understanding, as I have mentioned before. So these were the 3 crappy advice. Have you read or heard advice that turned out to be bad? I would love to know about it, so do not forget to write it in the comments. Bye for now.